Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to add bestseller tag in Shopify. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. In this case, the first thing you need to do here is you need to go to shopify.com, log in into your account, and access your store. Now from here, for us to do this, we need to actually install an app. So at the bottom left of your screen, go ahead and click on Settings. From here, you want to go to Apps and Sales Channel and click on Shopify App Store at the top right. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to search for an app that we could use here, which in this case is going to be bestseller. Now you should be able to see different apps here that would recommend you. So in this case, we'll be using Sammy product labels and badges. Let's go ahead and click on it. Let's go ahead and click on install. And from here, let's go ahead on the confirm button here by clicking on the install button that you'll see pop up on your screen. So that would install the app itself in your store. Now, once it's actually fully installed, we now need to configure this. So in this case, what we need to do is we need to do a few things here, but first let's just wait for it to load up. So in this case, going to show you different pricing plans here, but in this case, we could go ahead and choose the free plan here. So you have the option to add 2 badges, 2 highlights, and 2 banners. Let's go ahead and click on continue as free at the bottom right. Click on continue as free. Now from here, what we need to do next is we need to now add a badge. Let's go ahead and go to the badge and label section. And from here, let's go ahead and click on the create badge label here. And we want to click on new badge. Is the badge added outside of the product images. Let's go ahead and select this one. And from here, we want to add a text. In this case, let's go ahead and exit this one. So for example, we'll be using an image here. So type is going to be image. And from here, you can just basically add your image here. So if you want to use a text instead, you can go ahead and do that. So for example, I want to say bestseller here. And from here, it's going to now say bestseller. Now from here, let's go ahead and add a few things there. So if you want to use the link option and tooltip here, but you need to have the call plan. So further customization you need to have the call plan here. In this case, you could choose the position, so below the product price, below the product image, or below the product title. So let's go ahead and add this below the product title. And from here, we could go ahead and change the position for it if you want. You can even rotate it if you want to. The size here, let's go ahead and make this a lot bigger. Let's go choose medium. You could add margins and whatnot, but in this case, they are good. Let's go ahead and click on the very top here. Let's just say it is going to be the bestseller tag. From here, let's go ahead and click on save at the top right, and that should create our badge. Now it's going to say badge label created. Let's go ahead and exit this one. From here, go to our Sammy product labels. From here, let's go ahead and do the following, which is in this case, we now need to integrate. Let's go ahead and click on integrate to team here. And from here, let's go ahead and choose this one. Go ahead and click and go to team editor. And from here, what we need to do is we need to just allow the team to, or the app itself to run, or app embed. So you need to allow this one. So you should see a switch at the top left here. Make sure it's enabled. Click on save. To allow that, it's going to say, just so you reload this page here. And from here, you should now have it added. So in this case, once you've done that, you can go ahead and just go back into the previous page here. And that should embed the following options. So let's just go back to Sammy product labels here. And now lastly, you need to view the storefront. Let's go and click on preview online store. And from here, you should now have, as you can see, we now have the bestseller option here. Now in this case, you could go ahead and manage them by going to badges and labels here. And from here, you can go ahead and start managing them. So for example, let's go ahead and click on the name itself. And from here, we want to go to display section. And from here, let's go ahead and change this to either products. Like for example, let's go and select the products here is equal to, or select the following. Let's go ahead and click on select items. And you can just go ahead and select the items that you want to add this label here. Once you've done that, you should be able to click on save at the top right, and you're now good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.